to summer in Georgia, nature's favorite state. When I think of summer, I think of Georgia Grown Sweet Vidalia onions. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, Sweet Vidalia onion, chicken, and peach skewers. We're going to start by cutting the onion. We're going to cut our Sweet Vidalia onion in 1-inch pieces. We've got some skewers that are soaked in water so that they don't burn. We will start by putting the chicken through, and this is Springer Mountain Farms. Then a piece of onion, a piece of Georgia peach, slide that down a little bit. Then the chicken, another piece of onion, another piece of peach, and finish up with the chicken. Each chicken breast will give you about 4 to 5 slices, so that'll make 4 to 5 skewers. So marinate as many chicken breasts as you need for your family. And now these are ready to put on the big green egg. So we've got our big green egg heated to about 350 degrees. We're going to put our skewers on our Lodge cast iron griddle and cook these for 3 to 4 minutes per side. We'll glaze them with some Wisham's peach pepper jelly when we turn them, and then they'll be ready to go. Okay, we're going to brush these with some Wisham's peach pepper jelly. You can use any kind of jam or jelly that you like, but Wisham's is a favorite of mine. Okay, these are glazed and ready to go. We're going to just sprinkle them with a little bit of fresh basil, and this will freshen up any barbecue this summer. So that's my recipe for Georgia Grown Sweet Vidalia onion, chicken, and peach skewers. Sweeten up your summer barbecue with Georgia Grown Sweet Vidalia onions.